Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen. We're still continuing our series with Foodimentary. I'm really excited about this. This book is made by a man named John. What is his name again, guys? Oh, John Hopkins. His name is John Hopkins, and what he did was create different food and traditional foods to celebrate those traditions every day of the year, which is amazing and I'm excited about. So, I'm so excited, guys. I'm stumbling over my words because today is my birthday. Woo! I'm so excited. September 4th, and I'm 51 today. Yes, I'm 51 today. But I'm excited because I don't feel 51, especially with this keto diet. It gives me so much energy, and I'm excited to share with you today's recipe for the keto diet. Well, we call it a lifestyle. Today's recipe for September 4th, my birthday, is macadamia nuts. Macadamia nut day is September 4th. Fun fact about myself first. I just recently, about a week or so ago, bought a bag of macadamia nuts at the store, and I was like, ooh, I haven't had these in such a long time. And I just started eating them, and it's become my most favorite thing lately. And then I happened to get the book like about a week later, and lo and behold, Macadamia Nut Day is my birthday. It's the day to celebrate in this book. So I'm excited about it. So a little fun fact about the macadamia nut. A man named John Macadam, a Scottish guy, he was in Australia, and he kind of cultivated the macadamia nut. So he also cultivated it, and somehow it got into the hands of the Hawaiians, and it ended up being the most popular nut in Hawaii. They are where macadamia nuts are populated more often. So that's where we get most of our macadamia nuts from. And another fun fact about the macadamia nut, it says that they actually ripen on a tree, and they don't pick them, they actually fall off the tree, and that's how we get our macadamia nut. So, pretty cool, huh? So, since today is macadamia nut, aka my birthday, okay, we're going to make a macadamia nut cookie. I just made up this recipe last night, guys, and I thought, yeah, I do like me some crunchy cookies, first of all, and why not make a macadamia nut cookie? So the recipe is here, but I'll let you know what's in it since I just put it together last night. So in this bowl so far, we have 2 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour. We have a 1/2 cup of erythritol granules, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to add to that now. I warmed up a little, about 20 seconds in the microwave, 1/2 cup of butter, a stick of butter, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. We'll also add the macadamia nuts, of course, and some vanilla. So let's get this started. So for the dry ingredients, we're going to get our blender, our hand mixer. You can use a hand whisk too as well, but this is going to make it faster. We're going to add that cream cheese. Let me get a spatula. We're going to add the cream cheese and butter mixture in here. Just soften it up a bit. I popped it in the microwave. Normally, I can leave it out. You can leave it out and have it like room temperature. But I just, to get it going faster, just 20 seconds in the microwave. Okay, we're going to put that in there. We're going to get about 10 to 15 drops of liquid stevia, depending upon your taste buds. If you like it super sweet, hey, add more sweetness to it, guys. Go for it. A lot of these recipes you can adjust to your liking. You can mix the nut up and do a different type of nut, like pecans or etc. But we do have a good pecan recipe on our website at faith4ketokitchen.com. So check that out. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of this delicious vanilla. And I use Mexican vanilla. So it's just a beautiful blend, and it makes things taste, you know, so vibrant and vanilla-y. All right, put that in there, guys. And we're going to get that all blended up. Okay. Now we have that all blended up, guys. Let's get the spatula and kind of scrape away from the sides, guys. So have you guys ever had macadamia nut cookies? I know the traditional ones that I've seen a lot have the white chocolate chips in them, but we don't do the white chocolate chips on keto. We don't need to add the extra sugar. So these are pretty much sugar-free, gluten-free cookies, you know, just delicious macadamia nut as the star. So now that you got your cookie base, okay, what we're going to do is take, what I did was take about 1.5 cups. We're going to only add a cup, but I took about a cup of macadamia nuts and I crushed them. And how I crushed them was with, I put them in a bag, and I got a rolling pin and just start beating them. Just start crushing them. But you want to leave them a little bit chunky, guys, because that way you can have the, you know how when you have macadamia nut cookies, it has those chunks of nuts in it? So we're going to do about a cup. And we're just going to fold that in. And some of the chunks are kind of big anyway still. Just tiny more, that wasn't a full cup. Okay, we're going to just fold that in with a spatula or a big spoon. Because you want to get that well incorporated so each bite of the cookie will have a macadamia nut. That's why I like crushing them a little bit. It smells amazing. It smells so buttery, and it smells just, I don't know, it's just so vibrant. I think I love that vanilla in there. That's what really makes it pop. You're going to need a cookie sheet, and what I like to do is either use some parchment paper on a cookie sheet, or of course, like you guys know, it's my favorite thing, the silicone pads. You can get this on Amazon. Actually, in the link below is some of my favorites, and you can click on that and go to Amazon and find it. I believe you get 2 in a pack, which is really cool. So what we're going to do is get our cookie. This time it's not an ice cream scoop. As you guys know, I love my ice cream scoop. This is a cookie scoop. Just a mini ice cream scoop, that's all it is. So we're going to scoop out, and make sure you get nuts in each one of those. Scoop out some mounds about, I say about 2 inches apart, guys. Let's see how we do. And then we're going to press them down. And we'll fill this all up. So we have all the scoops, and what we're going to do, what we got? We got 3, 6, 9, 12, 16, 3, 6, 9. Okay, so we have our mounds, and what we're going to do with each mound, we're going to make sure they're about a couple inches apart, guys, like 4 inches. They won't spread a lot, so you want to give it, but you still want to give it some room because you want to keep your cookies nice. So just press them down about 1 inch. Half an inch or so. Shape it if you need to, because you know we eat with our eyes, like I always say. So you want to shape it pretty, but you want it to also be a little rustic, you know. So just press them down some. These are so yummy, guys, I'm telling you. I did make a batch last night because I wanted to test it for you guys, you know, just to see if it was good. And it's delicious. They are so delicious and buttery. That's what I like about them. Okay, so we have all our cookies pressed out. What we're going to do is take them in the oven, 350 degrees. If I hadn't said it, probably didn't, but the link will be below for the cookies, the recipe that you can go and find on our website. But set your oven at 350 degrees. And we'll bake them probably between 12 to 14 minutes, depending upon the thickness of your cookie, okay? So we'll go do that, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so our cookies are out of the oven. They cooked for about 10 to 12 minutes till they got nice and golden brown. And we're gonna give one a try because it is my birthday, so I might just give 2 a try. So let's see how they came out. I like this one. Look at that, so golden. Really good. Those are really good. So generally people would miss the white chocolate chip in there. Not at all. It's sweet, it's flaky, it's buttery and tender. Guys, this is one, seriously, I know I always say it, but this is a really yummy recipe. So, if you like this video, and since it's my birthday, give it a thumbs up. And since it's my birthday, subscribe. And since it's my birthday, hit the bell so you'll get notifications every time I upload a new video, guys. Anyway, thank you guys, I love you guys, and hey, if your birthday is September 4th, comment below. And if you have any family members, the same. So, we'll see you later, guys, and God bless you and have an amazing week. Bye.